Hey guys, may bagong video naman tayo. So right now, we are gonna be checking these out. So this is the ID Cooling DF-12025 ARGB fans. So addressable yung mga RGB nila. And as we can see here, these are compatible with AuraSync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light, and ASRock Polychrome Sync. So almost majority ng mga motherboards. So moving forward, I bought these around 2,100 pesos from Shopee. So bakit 6 fans? Of course kasi malaki yung case, tsaka maraming fan slots. So sabi ko, why not, populate them? So moving forward, 3 fans inside, a total of 6. Yeah. So what we're gonna be doing right now is we're gonna be checking out yung mga inclusions ng package na to at paano to i-install sa case nyo. And also, we'll be using this sa build natin guys. So, stay tuned for that. With enough delay, let's check this out. So, eto yung box natin. So, we'll be opening this up. Yan. So, these are the ID Cooling guys, the fans natin. So, as I can see here sa box, there is no indication guys of any other details or specs. Ano lang siya guys, 120mm fans lang yung nakalagay. So, let's open this up. So we have here our instructions, both in English and Chinese. So let's set that aside. So open natin yung nahulog first box. Yan. So these fans are actually gonna be using the ARGB header. Yan yung 3 pins sa motherboard natin. So this is a ARGB splitter. So you can actually connect 3 fans here. Actually 4. Yan. So you can connect 4 fans here and just plug this in your motherboard. So you can control the color of the fans with just one header. Moving forward, we have here 3 sets of screws. So they provided the long ones for if you want to mount your fans sa AIO nyo na radiator, or you could just mount them like the normal ones using these normal screws. So you have 3 sets provided. Yan. So let's set that aside. And also for the power of your fans, they also provided yung PWM splitter nila or fan splitter. So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be plugging 3 fans here and you'll be plugging this into your motherboard. So you'll be controlling 3 fans with 1 header. So para iwas yung kalat ng wires, or for example you have only a few headers na para sa fans, this is gonna be very useful to you guys. On the inside of our box guys, we have 3 separate boxes for our fans. So let's set this box aside. Okay, so let's unbox these fans. So okay, so as I can see here, let's check the quality here. This is a very heavy fan actually, and also in terms of the build quality, these are very decent. So check natin guys if may play or any movement. Solid talaga. You can just see the quality here guys, na very decent na siya. And sabi ko kanina, there are 2 wires controlling this. So one is for the power of the fan here, and one is for the 3-pin addressable RGB. And also As you may have noticed, there is no rubber padding here. So you actually have to install them yourselves. So you have to take these out and place them here individually. So these are very helpful, guys, to prevent any unnecessary vibration sa case nyo. So let's unbox these two fans. Let's set this aside. Okay, so these are the fans. So the rubber pads are actually gonna be having a sticky side to them so that they can stick to your mounting areas sa mga fans nyo. Okay, so these are the fans. All of them, guys, meron silang magandang quality in terms of build. There is, guys, zero play dito. So, eto, yung gagawin natin, guys, is we are gonna be setting these fans up. So, move na lang natin to, yung mga extra na mga bagay. So, we're gonna be placing each fans spaced. So, dapat makikita nyo, guys, kung paano bang setup nito. Okay. So, kanina, we had a box. Sa box dito, guys, meron tayong splitters. Splitters for the RGB and splitters for the fans. So, paano yung setup, guys? It's very simple. Hey guys, this is the included ARGB splitter. So, yung gagawin mo is yung mga ARGB headers mo, ilalagay mo dito. And this will be terminating into a single plug-in sa motherboard mo. So, meaning yan is, with a single plug-in, you could actually control the lighting of your 4 fans. So, yung setup is simple. Every fan has its own header. So, all you have to do, guys, is to plug it in. So, eto, lagay natin dito. And so on and so forth. So, this splitter actually is ready for 4 fans. But we only have 3 right now. So, yan lang ang ilagay natin dito. So, connected na yung 3 fans mo. Connect mo to sa motherboard. Whatever lighting command you give sa motherboard or sa software mo, I mean, will be reflected upon a 3 fans. So, if sa software mo, lagay mo red, they will all turn red. And this is also, guys, your fan speed controller or your PWM controller. So, yung gagawin natin, guys, is very simple. You just have to find yung controller ng fan speed. Ito. Tsaka, you just have to plug it in. So, may mga grooves yan. You have to line it up and plug it in like that. This splitter can control only 3 fans. So, you have to plug in your 3 fans here. Yan. At saka ito, plug in natin dito. So, with this splitter, guys, so you have 3 fans connected from here to here, from here to here, and from that one to here. And this one will be plugged in sa motherboard mo. So from this single end, you can control the fan speed of the 3 fans. So medyo mas easier to kasi when it comes to motherboards right now, yung ibang motherboards, 8 yung fan header. So if you have 6 of these, you could only plug the 2 ends of your splitter sa dalawang header. It is very helpful, guys, for multiple fans systems like mine. So that's all about done with the review of this item. So guys, this is the end of the video. Na-unbox na natin yung mga fans. Na-check na natin kung paano mag-rig up ng ARGB lights nila. And also for the power of the fans, guys. So soon, these fans, guys, will be used sa gaming rig natin, tsaka work rig natin. So guys, if you like this video or you feel na naging helpful yung video na to sa'yo, you can leave a like and a subscribe. And there are more videos to come, guys. So if you want to be updated, guys, you can hit that bell notification icon. So para sa mga questions, you guys, just leave them at the comment section down below. Peace out.